Good AM. Today is Monday, December 4, 2023, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under LACA 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 4, 2023, Monday. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 4, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 4, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.